Zanu is preparing for a by-election in Gutu East, following the expulsion of MP Benjamin Ganyiwa, marking another chapter in the ongoing internal power struggles within the ruling party. The party's officials have been making the rounds in the constituency, informing supporters of Ganyiwa's expulsion and upcoming recall from parliament. Sanabena mashoko ataona pangwa inoi wakumana, they are now heading for by-elections after dismissal MP was subscribable on the by-election. Tipina Kanyiwa's expulsion comes from a disciplinary hearing where he was charged with multiple offenses. He faced 4 key allegations: failing to control party supporters who attacked leadership on a WhatsApp group, holding unauthorized meetings that defied provincial leadership, and demonstrating insubordination to higher party officials. The tensions surrounding Kanyiwa's expulsion are further heightened by ongoing factional divisions within Zanu, with functions aligned to both president and vice president at odds. This ongoing infighting has become a prominent feature of the party's internal politics, leading to actions like Kanyiwa's dismissal. The local Zanu official in Gutu East made it clear on Saturday that the party would not tolerate insubordination. If you don't respect the party leadership, you are gone, the official stated. Kanyiwa is gone. We are preparing for a by-election here. Tomashukana muda panapa tunaokumana ayo wachawa chiganza wacha mashukusa murukunzwa vachiri ayo Ganyiwa wari wapasi noda kutakatadza kuendela vanhu vaitaka mutwa munyika ine WhatsApp group pamwechete neinsubordination panguva ino yatakuona kuti aiwa havasi kana kutombomisa. Ndo zvatiri kuona zvekare mashoko ari kungofamba semakumwa kuna generali. Tudze mafunguro enyu mari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Naikome section medu, sono subscribe or like.